Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check out a secret trick to set your own video as a live screensaver on Mac. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you the steps in a simple way. Let's get started. Step 1. Open System Settings and go to Wallpaper. Here, you'll see the new live wallpapers added with macOS Sonoma. When you select one, it downloads to your Mac and can be used as both wallpaper and screensaver. Step 2. Minimize all windows. Click on the Go tab at the top of your screen and choose Computer. Now go to Macintosh HD Library, Application Support, com.apple.ilassetsd, Customer, 4K SD 240 FPS. Step 3. Drag your own video into this folder. It will ask for your Mac password. Go ahead and enter it. Step 4. Now pick any one of the downloaded videos in the folder. Copy its name and then rename your own video with that exact name. Make sure it's in .mov format. You may be asked for your password again. Just confirm. Step 5. Go back to Wallpaper settings. You won't see your video by name, but you'll recognize the thumbnail. Click on it, and your custom video will be set as wallpaper and also as a screensaver when your screen is locked. And that's it. Your own video is now working as a live screensaver. If it doesn't apply right away, just restart your Mac and it should work perfectly. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what video you used. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Let me know if you'd like a voiceover version of this or want to convert it into a YouTube short script.